Hello viewers, welcome to Anisa's Tech Tutorials. To get my services of graphic designing, social media marketing, and WordPress development, contact me on my Facebook. In this video, I will show you how you can create Linktree. So write Linktree in your Google Chrome and open the second one site. Click on Sign Up for free, enter your email, or you may continue with Google. I continue my account with Google. Write username for your Linktree. This is the name which would visible in the link of your Linktree. Select your category, either you are a business or a creator. Then select your business type and continue. Click on Continue with 7 days free trial. This would lead you to the packages. You can purchase them by adding your card details, but we create a Linktree which is completely free. So this is the dashboard where we start creating our Linktree. To upload profile picture, click on the icon of pencil, upload your own image, select file, adjust it, and then save. Then enter your bio and save it. Add social icon. If you want to display icons on top, select top, but I am selecting bottom, so icons will display at the bottom. Click on Add social icon. I am adding my Instagram here, so enter the username of Instagram. Our Instagram has been added here. You can add more social icons if you want. Now click on Add to add the link to the inventory. Just copy the link and paste it. Click on the icon of pencil to edit the name. Again, click on Add and copy other link. You can add many links like I am adding here. You can change the sequence of links by dragging it with the help of your mouse. After adding all the links and managing the sequence, let's work on the beauty of our Linktree. Because it must look attractive, so click on Themes. You can select the theme if you have a paid version, but we customize our own theme. First, we select the background color. Then choose the shape and outlines of buttons. Select the color of button text. Now our Linktree is completely ready, so copy the link or you can share it directly. I have copied the link and pasted in my browser, so it will take me to my Linktree. It is attractive as well, containing clickable links. Social icon is also clickable. I hope you find my video easy and simple to understand. For more videos, like and subscribe to Anisa's Tech Tutorials.